How to fix USB Serial CH340 chipset not working after a Windows update. Driver compatibility issues can often cause the CH340 adapter to stop functioning, and updating through Device Manager ensures the latest compatible version is installed. Right-click the CH340 device and select Update Driver. When prompted, select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the software to be installed and restart your computer. Link in description. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Right-click on the most recent update and select Uninstall. Proceed with on-screen instructions. Then, type Updates in Windows search and press Enter. Click Pause the updates for 7 days. In Windows 11, you can pick a different time period. System Restore can bring your system into the time when everything worked well. To run it, please follow these steps.